Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how to restore our closed tabs from our Google Chrome. Suppose if we accidentally close some tabs and our browser is closed accidentally, now how we can restore our tabs. So for this is the very easy step. First of all you need to go to your Chrome browser, click here, and then these are three vertical dots. Simply click on these dots and then go to the history. In the history, there are the recent tabs. Simply click on that. Here's the restore window. We simply need to restore it. And here you can see your all by default tabs are closed is simply open with that simple one click. There is another way is the short key. Short key is the control shift and T. Simply if you use that short key you can easily get and your all the restore tabs you can easily get with one single click, and this is the very simple and the short way. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.